Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on this 2013 Ford Escape with the 2.0 Ecoboost engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First we need to remove this cover here. Just basically yank this off. This just has 4 little ball socket things that pop in there. We need to remove this boost tube right here. So there's an 8mm bolt right here, an 8mm hose clamp right back here. If you get an extension, it makes it easier to reach in there. And then this hose clamp right here. This one's a 7. Once you have those loose, you can just pull this boot right back like that. Pull this end out first. Be careful with this hose here. When you set this off to the side, just be careful of this hose here. Now we can take an 8mm deep socket and loosen these studs right here. You're going to remove all 4 of these, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now you are going to unplug these clips here. You can see on this one very easily, you're just going to pinch this connector right here with my thumb and pull back and just kind of wiggle and pull, and you can unplug it like that. You're going to do that for all 4 of these. Now you can pull the coil pack right up and out of here, just like that. I will have new coil packs, new spark plugs linked down in the description below where you can get those online. This is a combination I'm using to get down there to get the spark plug out. It's a 16mm deep socket with I believe that's a 3-inch extension. Stick it down there into the spark plug hole, and then you can stick your second extension on top of there, and you can stick your ratchet on top. To get the spark plug out of the hole, I usually just use a telescoping magnet. Reach down there and pulls those out really nice. I will have these Motorcraft plugs linked down in the description below where you can get these online. Take your new plug and just very carefully slide it down to the bottom of the hole. Then you can take your 16mm socket, slide it down there, start it by hand, just start twisting it there a little bit, and work it back in. You don't need to torque these down like insane because this is an aluminum head, so you can rip the threads right out of the head here. But I usually just put one hand here and one hand here and give it a good oomph. And that's usually good for me. I've never had any problem with that. I will have new coils linked down below where you can get those online. So put your coil back in and then just repeat the process for the next 3 right there. And then you just put your boost tube back in and you're back in business. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.